Franco Colapinto was a name that nobody knew, drove a couple of races, and then everyone knew. Everybody knew Franco Colapinto's name in F1 by the time he was done with that 3 to 4 race span. Because it was like, dude, this guy's legit. Like, he doesn't put the car into the wall. He's getting points over and over again. Like, this guy's good. And I remember that we made the call that was like, look, Colapinto needs to be a driver on a team this year. Ended up being Duhan. He ends up signing the reserve role. I don't call it a bold prediction. I think because you already kind of alluded to.
This isn't really. I wouldn't say it's bold to predict that. Franco Colapinto is going to be in that seat at some point this season.
It's going to be really tough. Jack Duhan's kind of in a situation where he's kind of got to get like points every week, and that's a really, really rough situation.